Hi guys, welcome back to my page. I am Santanika and today we're gonna do a Nykaa haul. I think this time I have shopped so many items from Nykaa that this is the box. Can you imagine? This is the size of the box that I have for you, and there are a lot of recommendations, there are a lot of things that I have repurchased and I would love to talk about them one by one. So just in case you're new to my page, I am Santanika and I make videos on fashion, nutrition and lifestyle. I am a nutrition student myself and everything that you find on this page is thoroughly researched and very informative. So with that long intro, let's just hop into the video or the box. Okay, so first thing that I have for you are these Pack Beauty Blenders. So I got this in a pack of 2, as you can see. This is how the packaging looks like. This is the box where Pack is written, and these are the 2 beauty blenders which I have received. Now for your benefit of doubt, I haven't used either of them, but I have touched it and they feel very soft, and I am sure that they will be very good for blending the makeup too. And in case you want a review of them, then stay tuned. I would be reviewing them towards the end of this month. So just in case you want to know, you have to stick with me towards the end of this month. Okay, so the next item that we have on this box, okay, who can guess? Let me just keep the box away. I feel this is too heavy for me to carry. Okay, so these are the eyelashes by Nykaa. I am a very beginner, you will say, in the makeup game. So this is actually OOTT length, which is max length, which defines the lashes. Now this is my first ever lash purchase. I haven't got it ever my lashes. I never stuck any lashes earlier. So this will also be my first time trying out a lash. So in case you want to see the review, wait till the end. So the next thing that we have in this box is this. Now stove cream is so important, and I did not have a stove cream unless I saw a lot of YouTubers reviewing this stove cream by Swiss Beauty. So this is how it looks and this is how the texture of it is. It gives a very nice soft finish. Now there are multiple ways by which you can use it, but it gives a very nice dewy finish to your face when you have applied it before a foundation. You can also mix it with the foundation. It gives a very natural dewy and a glowy face, which is unlike the usual matte makeup that we do. And it can also be used as an highlighter. I'll just give you a more zoomed up look of how it looks and differs from my normal skin. You can see it's slightly glazy and slightly sparkly compared to this skin. This isn't glowing. I have not applied it here. Here it's there. Okay, so what's the next item? This is going to be a big video. The next item, this is my repurchase from Nykaa. I have already finished this perfume by Nykaa. It's called Moi in French, which means me, and it's the Joie de Vivre, which means the joy of life, and it's a beautiful perfume. It's such a subtle perfume and it stays around for 8 to 10 hours. Aram se, you don't have to do a touch up. It's a very good perfume for everybody who goes for like a date or like a normal casual day. You can definitely go for this perfume. It's really worth your money. It's Moi by Nykaa. You will find all the links down in the description box, so you don't have to worry. The next item is this MAC Fix Plus Prep. Now this I did not get from Nykaa. I got this from Myntra. When they were having a buy one get one sale on MAC Cosmetics, I got this and a lipstick, which I will show you. Now this is an excellent setting spray and it can also prime your skin. I have used it in a lot of my IGTVs. In case you haven't watched it, I'll put my profile link here, so you can go ahead and follow me there and see how I use this Prep Plus Fix Me Spray by MAC. The next item that I have for you is this micellar water. I feel there are so many YouTubers who completely love this micellar water, and so am I. I think the first time I used it, I was stunned by the performance that it gives. Now generally I buy beauty items that stay for long, like the kajal or the mascara, which have like a 8-hour plus stay or a 9-hour plus stay. So removing them generally becomes very difficult. But with this micellar water, It's going to happen like in seconds. I have also used it in a lot of my IGTVs. In case you haven't watched it, I'll put my profile again here, and in case you want to go ahead and follow me, I'll put it down in the description also. You can see and then choose whether you want to buy it or you don't want to buy it, but I would suggest go for it. It's a really good micellar water. The next item that we have is okay, this is a lip crayon by Maybelline. As you can see, I guess you can see right now. Okay, this is a Maybelline lip crayon which has an amazing lip color. I'll just show you the swatch of it. Oh my god, just look at the color. It's beautiful. This is the swatch of it, and just in case it gets blunt or anything, you can always open it from this side. There's a sharpener and you can sharpen it. So it's an amazing, beautiful lip color by Maybelline. The name of the color is Settle for More. Okay. The next item are these nails. So these are clip-on nails. I just have to use a glue and apply them. So in case you want to see how I step by step use nails, you have to follow me on Instagram, and also I'll be putting a detailed video here on YouTube. So these are the nails that I have got. Okay, so the next item that I have for you is this lipstick by MAC. As I told you that I got it for buy one get one free. So I got this and this both in the combo deal, and this is the lipstick that I got from MAC. The color is Rouge. Yeah, the color is Rouge, and Rouge à Lèvres. This is also a French word. This is the color of it. It's a red color basically, and that's the swatch for you guys. It's a beautiful color, beautiful. Okay, next item that we have is this by Flower Beauty. I'll show you the swatch right here. This is the most pigmented lipstick that I have. Just look at the swatch. Just look at this swatch and look at these swatches. This is such a pigmented lipstick, you guys. This will look really good if you're doing a dark eye look. This is going to just make your look stay longer. This is also a long stay lipstick. It will stay for around say aapka 4 to 5 hours without any touch up. It's an amazing lipstick. Okay, so the next item, I think it's almost gotten empty by now. So the next item that I have for you is by Body Shop. Now again, this is my second purchase. This is also an amazing body yogurt. I feel this is just so smooth on the skin, and this is my second purchase. The first one was gifted to me, and this is my second purchase. If you can see, just glides on the skin like it's a dream, you guys. It's an amazing body yogurt, and this is again my second purchase from Body Shop, and it also smells delicious. It's like amazing. Okay, towards the end of it, I also have the most awaited product, that is by Kama Ayurveda. This is an hair oil. Now, as you all know, I have chemically treated hair. I have smoothing done on my hair. I also regularly get hair spas done. So this is an amazing hair oil for that purpose. It has a slight mild smell. Also with the smell, there is this hair thickening or hair growth activating particles inside it, because it's 100% natural, and my hair, I can feel a difference when I use it and when I don't use it. So in case you want to go for a good hair oil, I would suggest you go for this hair oil. It's an amazing hair oil, and it will suit, I think, almost everybody. This is an amazing hair oil. So I think all my items in the haul are over. I don't have any other item apart from my last James Charles palette. So this is, if you have been following me, I had it from earlier, but this was also from the sale, so I thought let me show it to you. So this is the James Charles palette that I have for you. Now what are the colors? I'll just show it to you, and what is the pigmentation, that also I'll show you. Now since I have got the palette some time back, I did use a few of the colors. As you can see, these ones are used, and it's a very pigmented palette. If you're a beginner and you want to see how it works out for you, I would suggest you go for it and give it a shot. So I'll just show you the pigmentation of it. all the base colors. So this is the pigmentation, guys. Can you see? It's a very solid pigmented color. It has not come on the camera that much, but it's very pigmented. Trust me when I say it, if you're purchasing these items, it's a really bomb product for everybody who's beginning into makeup. So that's all. Those were my suggestions for an everyday makeup person who's into makeup or who's just beginning to get to like makeup. So I hope you find this informative, and if you did, and if you took any suggestions back, then please let me know. And if you like any of these products, and if there are any suggestions which one next I should purchase or give you a review about, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to retrieve back to you guys. And none of the products are sponsored. It's not sponsored. These are all self-bought products. And in case you liked it, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and like my page. Thank you guys.